Installation of the T-LOC hybrid bracket for wood stud and drywall applications. Using a level as a reference, draw a horizontal line at the desired shelf height. Be sure to subtract the thickness of the shelf top when marking the line. Use a stud finder to locate the center of each stud to which you will be mounting brackets. Draw a vertical line in the center of each stud up 1 inch from the horizontal line. If a stud cannot be found, mark the desired location of the bracket and follow the drywall instructions. Place the provided adhesive template on the wall with the centerline mark aligned with the center of the stud and the top of the template aligned with your horizontal line. To secure the base plate for wood stud applications, use a T30 bit to drive a structural screw into the lower indicator, stopping when the screw is approximately a 1/4 inch from the wall. Place the base plate onto the screw and drive a structural screw through the upper hole to secure the base plate to the wall. To secure the base plate for drywall applications, pre-drill the top hole using a 1/4 inch bit, drilling through the center of the top dot on the mounting template. Finish the hole with a 1/2 inch bit. Insert the snap toggle into the hole, orienting it vertically with the cap up. Tighten the center retainer and snap off the plastic legs. Thread the adjustment bolt into the drywall plate. Slide the base plate over the bolt, then slide the 2.5 inch bolt through the upper holes. Screw it into the snap toggle to secure the base plate to the wall. Once the base plate is secured to the wall, lock the shelf bracket arm into the base plate. Place a level on the bracket and level it by adjusting the lower screw. Turn it clockwise to lower the front of the bracket and counterclockwise to raise it. Place a level across both brackets and level the brackets to each other. Place the shelf onto the brackets and push it firmly against the wall. Measure out 2 inches from the stud center line and mark it with a pencil. Use the included 5/32 inch drill bit to drill to, but not through, the bracket. Use the number 1 square drive bit to drive the 1 inch self-tapping trim screw through the hole and into the bracket to secure the shelf.
To order brackets or find a distributor near you, visit revashelf.com.